and safe at home. Before moving ahead, I want to say about SMS. I hope everyone are following. What is SMS? S is for social distance, M is for mask, and S is for soap. So what we are going to do? We are going to use soap to clean our hands, wear our mask, and maintain some physical distance whenever we are interacting with other people. So I hope everyone are very safe and not troubling your parents. Yes. So today we have here to complete our academics, right? So we have already started our chapter number 3 and we have done our divisibility rules. So before moving ahead, I request everyone to please open your classwork, textbook and pencil. Open page number 31. Page number 31. So once again, let us have a small recap of rules. We have done our divisibility rules, right? Now, based on these divisibility rules, we have our exercise 3.1. Okay. So what was our divisibility rule for 2? Rule for 2 is the digit at one's place should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so on, like even numbers at one's place. Okay. What is the rule for 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Then the given number is also divisible by 3. If you take a small example, any number 962. What you are going to do? Sum of the digits. Now 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. But 17 is not divisible by 3 because in 3 table 17 will not go. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, but we have here 17. But if you change as, if I take the number 963, now 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 3 as the sum. 9 plus 6 plus 3 which is 18, as 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6s are 18. We are getting the remainder as 0. Then the whole number, that is 963, is also divisible by 3. Yes. Now what is the rule for 4? The last two digits should be divisible by 4. If I take 824, 824. In the given number, the last two digits means the digit at ones and tens place should be divisible by 4. If you see 24 is divisible by 4. Yes, 4. 24 will go on 6 4s are 24 or 4 6s are 24. As we get the remainder as 0, so 24 is divisible, so 824 is also divisible by 4. When the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is also divisible by 4. Next, rule 5. The digit at one's place should be 0 or 5. The last digit, the digit at one's place should be 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5, like 50 or 55. See, the last digit is 0 and here it is 5. So then 55 is divisible by 5 and 50 is also divisible by 5. Next, coming to rule 6. What is rule 6? If the divisibility rule of 2 and 3 satisfies, then rule 6 will also be satisfied. That is, for any number to be get divisible by 6, it should be divisible first by 2 and 3. Both it should be divisible, then only it is divisible by 6. Next we have rule number 8. Here coming to 4, we have taken 2 digits. So for rule 8, the last 3 digits should be divisible, right? Last 3 digits are divisible by 8, like 7400. So here the last 3 digits are what? 400. That is ones, tens, 100. These 3 places should be divisible by 8. Then the whole number is also divisible by 8. Next, what is the rule 9? Rule 9 is same as rule 3. Here also we will do the sum of the digits. If you take the same 963, that is, we got the answer, sum of the digit is 18, right? 9 plus 6 plus 3 is 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. So 963 is also divisible by 9. Rule 10 is, divisibility rule of 10 is what? The last digit should be, that is the digit at one's place should be 0, then it is divisible by 10. And the last, rule 11. That is the difference between the sum of the digit at odd places and the sum of the digit at even places should be either 0 or divisible by 11. Means first of all, supposing they give any number, if you take this 7400, we'll start from the right side. We'll write here even, starting from even, so this becomes odd, again even, odd. Suppose they give 6 digit numbers, so again even, odd, even, odd. So what we'll do, we'll add first even numbers, that is 7 plus 0 is 7, and odd numbers 4 plus 0 is 4. Now we got sum of even digits, sum of odd digits. Now we will difference we will find, that is 7 minus 4 is 3. Now 3 is not divisible by 11. So 7400 is not divisible by 11. So these are our divisibility rules. So based on this, now we have exercise 3.1. See, you can take many examples for single number you can take, and you can check all the divisibility rules. Like an activity also you can make it. Okay. Now let us move ahead with our exercise 3.1. Now this 3.1 is based on our divisibility rules. They have given some numbers and they ask whether this number is satisfying any rule or not. Okay. Now open page number 31. Exercise 3.1. First bit. Please copy down your first bit in your classwork. I hope you have written your divisibility rules in your classwork, right? All the rules you have written. I told you that whatever the bold letters are written, wherever the rules are there, those rules to be noted down in your classwork. I hope you have done. Yes. Okay. Let us start with the first one. See what is the heading? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? We have to check the given number is it divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6. Okay. So let us go with the first bit. First one. 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 9. Now what we have to do? We have to check whether this number is divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6. Now what is the rule for 2? Let us write divisible by 2. What should be there? The last digit, that is the digit at one's place, should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is even numbers. But do we have here even number? No. Here it is 9. So by 2 it is not divisible. Not divisible. Why it is not divisible? Because it is not having any even number at the ones place. Next, by 3. What is the rule 3? Sum of the digits. Now let us write sum of the digits. That is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. And 15 plus 9 is 24. Yes, 15 plus 9, 24. Now is 24 divisible by 3? In 3 table do we get 24? 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Yes. So 24 is divisible by 3. Yes, it is divisible. Okay. And what is the last? Again we should check by 6. But what is the rule for 6? It should be divisible by both 2 and 3. But coming to here, by 2 it is not divisible because at one's place there is not an even number. It's not having an even number, right? But it is divisible by 3. So what is the rule 6? If any of the rule is not satisfying, then the rule 6 will also not be satisfied. So what we will write by 6? It is actually 3,21,729 is not divisible. Okay? Is not divisible by 6 as it is. Why it is not? Because as it is not divisible by very good, it is 2. As it is not following the, not satisfying the rule 2, so it will not satisfy the rule 6. Rule 6 is what both 2 and 3 should be satisfied, but here rule 2 is not satisfied, so it is not divisible by 6 as it is not divisible by 2. So next, I hope it is very clear. Yes. And Okay, let us go with the next one. I hope you have written the first one. Yes. So what is the question? 1,97,232. 232. Now, yes. Now what is rule 2? The last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. But here we have 2. So yes, it is satisfying, divisible. It is divisible. Divisible. Because at ones place we have a digit 2. Next, what is rule 3? Sum of the digit. Now let us do sum of digit 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 2 is 19, 19 plus 3 is 22, 22 plus 2 is 24. Now 24 is also divisible by 3. 3 7s are 28, 3 8s are 24. So it is divisible, yes. Right? It is divisible. Yes, it is divisible. What it is divisible? As 24 is divisible, that is sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Then the given number, that is 197,232, that is 1,97,232 is also divisible by 3. It does not mean only 24 is divisible. We are checking whether this completely whole number is divisible by 3 or not. To check it, we have done sum of the digits. As sum is divisible by 24, so the given number is also divisible by 24. But here, what is rule 6? Both 2 and 3 satisfied. Yes, this is also divisible and 24. That is rule 3 is also satisfied. So what now we have to write? That is rule 6. So yes, it is divisible. It is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by both. It is divisible by both 2 and 3. That is, it is satisfying rule, divisibility rule of 2 and 3. As 2 is satisfied, 3 is satisfied, then 6 is also satisfied. Yes, it is divisible by 6 as it is divisible by 2 and 3. So based on this, you can try with next, that is third and fourth one from your first bit. Yes, I hope you have written. Yes, students, is it clear for you? The same order it follows for the next third and fourth one. Let us go with the second bit. Yeah, this was second one actually. Second, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 5 and by 2. So they have given a series of numbers. We should check whether it is divisible by 5 and 10. Check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. Are also divisible by 2 and 5. So first they have given some numbers. We should check is it divisible by 5 and 10. What is the rule 5? Rule 5 is the last digit, the digit at ones place should be 0 and 5. 0 or 5. Rule for 10 is what? The last digit should be 0. Now let's see what the numbers they have given. So see, first one is 20. I am just writing the question earlier. 25, 125, 250, 1250, 10,205, 70,985, and the last 45,880. These are the given numbers and they asked us to check whether these are divisible by 5 and 10. So firstly, let us check for 5. Now what is for 5? The last digit should be 0 or 5. See, here it is 5. Last digit, that is the digit at ones place. 5, 5, 0, 0, 5, 5, 0. So all these numbers are divisible by 5. So what we will write? 25, 125, 250, by 5. Are divisible by 5. Yes. We have done with the first one. We checked and we got these all numbers are divisible by 5. Now what is rule 10? That the last digit should be 0. One's place digit should be 0. 0, not there. Here it's 5. Here this is the 0. That is the digit at one's place. Here it is 0. Here it's 5. 5. This is 0. So these three digit numbers are divisible by 10. So 250, 1250 and 45,880 are divisible by 10. Now we have checked both the rules. Now what is the one more question here they gave? So check whether the numbers that are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and 5. So they are telling us to check whether these three numbers which are satisfying the rule 10 are divisible by rule 2 and rule 5. Rule also divisible by 2 and 5. But if you see 2 and 5 are also the factors of 10. 2 into 5 is 10 or 5 into 2 is 10. So these 2 and 5 are factors of 10. So these three numbers are also divisible by 10. So what we will write? The number which are divisible by 10 are also, last statement you can write, the number which are divisible by 10 are also divisible by 2 and by both 2 and 5. Why? Because as they are the factors, as by both 2 and 5 are factors. So firstly we have checked rule for 5, rule for 10. As 2 and 5 are factors of 10, 2 5s are 10 or 5 2s are 10. So both rule 2 and rule 5 will be satisfied. If you want to check, see what is rule 2? It should be 0, 2, 4, 6, even number. Here it is even 0, 0, 0. Rule 5, it should be either 0 or 5. 0, 0, 0. So both the rules are also satisfied. Next, the third bit, that fill the table using divisibility test for 3 and 9. This you are going to do as your homework. So they have given a tabular form for you in page number 31. So what is the rule for 3 and 9? That is sum of the digits. So firstly, in the sum of the digits you write separately, like 72 is there. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. 3 3s are 9. 9 is divisible by 1? Sorry, 9? Yes, 9 ones are 9. So you check like that. You have more 4 numbers. Check it and make it clear. So what is your homework? That is first bit, third and fourth, and your third bit. Exercise 3.1. First bit, third and fourth one, and third bit you are going to complete the box. Yes. This is what your today's homework. I hope whatever we have discussed in the class, it is very clear to you. And once again, please practice your all divisibility rules. You can take many examples like 4 digit, 2 digit, 6 digit numbers and check. You can check your all rules whether the number is satisfying the 2 or all the rules or not. Yes, you can make a small activity also if you want, like making some checks of numbers, any number. Is it 2 digit number, 3, 4, and picking any one digit and checking whether it is divisible by all the rules or not. Okay. So I hope it is very clear. Soon we will meet in our next class. Till then, take care.